Hey guys, what I'm going to be doing. Okay, here I go.
Now I know how long it takes for you to call me back from the pad.
Sorry.
I know this thing wasn't fun for being
It's watching you, sir. And what you're doing, it's hard to see you. It's hard to see. I can't believe I'm saying these things.
what we need is some time. Just the two of us. It'd be like a timeout. What this is for anyone or anything. What do you say?
Gotta go pick up.
Sorry, start without you. Good God, who are those from?
Breakfast.
Really? Because they look expensive.
Should we go?
Yes, we should. And that's a month too, right? You don't get it?
Should we go?
Yes, we should. No.
Come on.
Come on. We're just gonna check the spelling. Rachel. Rachel, blue flowers. Yes.
Please say something.
I don't know if I'm gonna say. I mean,
Whoa.
I guess that's
Sorry.
then again,